We're gonna take a little road trip, head down the road. I bought a Bug from a lady in town here. She daily drives her Super Beetle to this day. And I remember this car back from, God, the late 80s when I was in high school. I'd see her Super Beetle out there. So she has another Bug that she parked out in the back of her property in the woods area. She's got about 20 acres or so. So we're gonna go clean out her driveway. I drove by the other day. I noticed her driveway hadn't been plowed or done, so we're gonna run over there, knock the driveway out real quick, and then we'll take a look at this Bug that I bought over the summer. I don't even know what year it is, so we'll go check that thing out. So let's climb aboard and let's get this thing done, shall we? Why am I going backwards? Well, I got to make a pit stop. My steering's loose. I just pulled out of my driveway, so I'm gonna get this tightened up and we'll be back on the road. Road trip! This is taking way longer than I thought it would. But I get 70 miles per gallon on this hog. We've arrived at our destination, so let's knock this out and let's go check out that Bug. All right, guys, well, we got this opened up for her, so I almost just ate it. The last couple inches we got melted, then froze. That's her daily driver Super, tucked away in the garage. Why is she daily driving her Super Beetle? Well, there you go. Welcome to the Northeast. The frame on this thing completely is gone. Gone. Those rockers are worse than any car McGee I own, for crying out loud. An old Ford in there. What's that? Early 40s maybe? You can see the deer have been through here. I'm having a good day. I just ate it. I see a Volkswagen. Onward. Follow the deer trails. Pretty property out here. It's got like 20 something acres. I forgot what year. I think it's early, if I remember right, I think it's the early 70s. Yeah, it's pretty buried. Yeah. Who's coming over to help me get this thing out this summer? So let's get some snow off of this thing and see what we got. 14 days until spring. It sure doesn't feel like it. It is going to warm up later this week. All right. Everybody place your guess on the year. I'm gonna guess 72. tail lights. Let's see what we got here. Okay, yeah, side marker lights. So what's that make this? 71, 72. Yep, that just happened. Sweet. They just don't make things like they used to, right? All right, awesome. I'm gonna have to get the shovel, dig her out. You got a bumper? Yeah, there's a bumper down there. There. You Cali, Florida, Arizona guys. Here, have some of this. Don't worry, it's gonna be spring in a couple weeks. Keep telling myself that. Under this? Oh yeah. There's the rocker. Crispy. Krispy Kreme. Yeah, this isn't gonna. That's not even gonna open. It's frozen. Nope. Let's try the other side. There you go. Hot car. $200 theft reward. Anti-theft devices. I don't remember this being crushed, to be honest with you, but it's just gonna open. Oh. Well, there it is. Try to get down there and see what year motor it is. It's like an A. I think it's an AE. Could be. I'm not familiar with the 70s cars, but I think it's. I mean, this could be the original motor to the car. Could be. I mean, might not be, but what do you think? Pretty sure this thing was. I think I already checked it. Last time I checked it, it was seized. Will it run? They all run. Let's try this door. This one will come open. Oh, really? Seized up too. really wanted to see the inside. Let's try this. Try the hood with a bonnet. Ready? Oh! Whoa. Can you guys see in there? I've never seen that before. Did you guys see that yet? No way. Okay, I have never. Seriously? This thing is packed. Oh, look at that. Would an animal put those in there? I've never seen that before. Looks like something was eating them. I mean, I've never heard of that. Squirrels, or looks like some corn on the cob going on down there via pine cones. I've just never seen that before. That's something right there. Leave a comment below if you've ever seen anything like that, because I've looked at 50 some odd Volkswagens in the past 4 years at least. Well, there you go. Kind of afraid the thing won't even close anymore. I'm kind of afraid to see. It won't close now. Oh man. See, the bumper is rounded. Look how deep that is. We'll have to revisit this one in the spring. Hopefully the Kubota can pick this thing up. It should, as long as it's not frozen in the ice like the other one. Cold start. Alright, well, a little history on this car. She bought it in '83 after she got tired of putting money into the '72 Snow Beetle I just showed you. So again, she's daily driving this now, thanks to Rusty Nissan. And I asked her about the driveway. She was much obliged, but she said the Bug would get through it, and I laughed. And I said, I know you were just being stubborn. I know. The funny thing was, then she says, oh, your tractor, it's adorable. I says, yeah. She said, so cute, I could drive it. I says, that's cute. Love when a girl calls her tractor adorable. But here she is, a '73 that I remember. Still going. Still daily driving it. It's good to see her out. Like I said, I remember this car from the late '80s when I was in high school. So, all right, guys. Well, the Super Beetle is ready to head out and be daily driven. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for me. Spring is 14 days away. I can't wait. Let's see some of this white stuff melt. So I hope you enjoyed our little adventure down the street. Tomorrow I'm gonna do an oil change, check the valves in the '67. Maybe get that thing out for a rip and get over and do the '56 vert. Looking forward to that car as well. So thank you for all the comments. Thank you for the likes. Can't say thank you enough. I appreciate it. So we'll see you on the next one. And until then, take care, guys.